Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Dear students, in this video, we will talk about the strength of acids and bases, and that one we can calculate by calculating the pH value. Okay, dear students. So here you can see that pH. pH means what? pH is a word where the full form of this one P means power or potence. Potence, potence. Okay na? P for potence means power also. Okay na? Potence. And H for hydrogen. Okay na? H for hydrogen. As you know, dear student, that if I am calculating pH, and the use of pH is to find the strength of acid and bases, but here I have taken only hydrogen, and you know, dear student, hydrogen is one of the dissociation product of acids. Okay, acids. But in this one, bases are not there. So you know that what is the definition of bases. The bases are one in which if some chemical substances are dissolved in aqueous solution, then it will dissociate into hydroxide ion. Okay na? So in that case, pH value you will not write in the cases of bases. Then what will you write? In that cases you write POH. Okay na? Like this one. Acids means pH, bases means POH. Okay na? You have understood? So strength of acids and bases you can calculate by pH values or POH values. Okay na? How? And what is pH value? Okay, definition part of first of all. So pH value, if I will write the formula of pH directly, you can write this P as in the smaller case and H is in the capital, as H is will be in the capital letter, P will be in the smaller case, small letter. Okay, so that one will give you the pH, and the formula you can see minus log of this bracket H plus this bracket is known as concentration. Okay na? Concentration. So this one is the formula, and how can we define that one? The negative, this one is negative na? Okay, this one is negative logarithm to the base 10. So you have to write here 10 base. Okay na? Now what is log? How can you find that log? There in the maths it is given. Okay na? So minus log 10 to the hydrogen ion concentration. How can you call this square bracket? This one as a concentration. Okay na? Concentration. So this one is the formula you can write down. pH is equal to minus log H plus. So this H plus, as I have said, when you have acid. But if I have to calculate bases, then I will write POH, and this one will also be written like POH negative. Okay na? Negative. How can I write? In the case of bases, I will write POH is equal to minus log OH negative. Okay now, you know now hydroxide ions comes in the negative form. So this one is a method. If I will calculate anyhow, if I have given POH, if log will come this side, anti-log, you will know how it can be calculated. I will tell you later on. But we can calculate hydroxide and H plus from this method. If we will calculate hydrogen H plus ion concentration, hydroxide ion, then simply we can, after calculating this one, we can simply tell that what is the strength of this acid and bases. So here is the definition part. The concentration is every time expression moles per liter. Now dear student, pH 7, not on this one, pH 7 is there of any solution, that means it is a neutral. pH less than 7 acidic, more than 7 it is basic, not on this one. Okay na? So now pH scale. Dear student, pH scale is a type of a scale which actually compare the strength of acid and bases in terms of pH value. In 1909, Sorensen was a scientist who devised this scale, and their range was from here. You can see this one is a pH scale. This one comparing the pH values for acids and bases. You can see, dear student, here I have, here this is a scale where it is started from 1 to 14. This side 7 is the neutral point. 7 is neutral point, not down. 7 color is green. Okay, now 7 pH scale, this one is called. So here 7 to left hand side, the acidity will increase. As you will go the left hand side, acidity will increase, and as you will go on the right hand side, the basicity will increase. So that means if I am considering this one, that means this is a place of a strong acid, okay now. But as I am coming in between this one, 7 is a neutral, but what happened to 4? This one will not the strong acid, or as we will come this side, the acidity will decrease. Why acidity will decrease? Definitely there is the calculation of H plus will tell you H plus. And if I will go through this, go into this side, we will see definitely hydroxide concentration will increase and H plus concentration will decrease. Okay now, so this is a pH scale which has been devised by Sorensen in 1909. Okay now, where he said that left hand side, this is a neutral point, 7 is a neutral point, left side to this one is a strong acid. If I will talk till this one, 4.5 something, it is a strong acid case, but 4.5 to 7 or 6.9, this is a weak acid, because 7 is a green, 7 is a neutral case, weak acid. Then after we will come here 7.1 to 11, this one is a weak base, and this side it is a strong base, and a strong base. So this is a case I have given to you. Now you can see, dear student. Okay, dear students, so I will tell you some of the thing that here it is written the pH scale is ranges from 1 to 14, that you have seen in that pH scale. You must have to note down that one. If I have calculated pH from that minus log hydrogen ion concentration, if H plus I have calculated, anyhow, if I have calculated or I have the data of H plus, and that data of H plus which is showing the large value of H plus, that means how can I write this one? Can I write pH minus log H plus? Can I write minus H plus? Can I write this? Can I make it constant? So pH, sorry, this one should not be increase. pH, just like a pH, is equal to, can I, oh sorry, equal to, and log will be like a directly proportional, or don't write directly, minus is there na, so write 1 by H plus, 1 by H plus. Okay na. So what you are seeing, that if H plus will increase, pH will decrease. Not on this one. If you will see in some data, if H plus value is larger, that means pH value is lower. Okay now, and if pH value is lower, that means it is highly acidic. It is highly acidic. That you have seen is this one, pH value is less, 1, 2, 3, it is highly acidic. And as the pH value is increasing, that means it is slightly weak acid. Okay now, That is the same case you must have to see with the basic solution. With the basic solution, the larger value of the hydroxide ion, the larger the value, the stronger will be the basic solution. Now I will tell you that both of the thing you have to understand. One is inversely proportional. If H plus will increase, pH will decrease. Okay, now in the basic solution also the same thing is there. Now you have to note down this thing, but what is important, you have to understand this formula: pH equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration. And anyhow, if you will calculate H plus, or if you will see from some data, it will help you to find out the strength of acid and bases. Strength of acid and bases. Okay, na dear students. So I will hope that you will do, you will understand that comparison of strength, strengths of acids and bases. Okay, na, by the pH value. Okay, thank you all of you. Take care of yourself.